Hi everyone, this is Lucifinity. You can call me just Lucy or Ate Lucy. So today I will having a Tagalog English monthly reading for the year 2026 para sa lahat ng zodiac signs starting this January. I'm a tarot and astrologer since 2019 and started my YouTube way back 2020 pandemic era. Basically, this is my comeback sa YouTube channel para sa mga lovely clients ko and future clients, guidance and healing. May readings focusing more on astrological placements. Kaya mas maganda po kung alam nyo ang inyong birth chart, natal chart for accuracy and timely readings. How to know your birth chart? Simply go to the Google and search birth chart, natal chart calculator. Dapat tama ang date of birth, time of birth, and birthplace. Kung di alam ang oras, pull up your birth certificate or ask your parents kasi importante po na tama ang details. The importance of knowing your chart is to guide you, heal you, and help you succeed in this lifetime. Let your astrologer read your chart for you, and I can help that for you. For everyone na makaka-resonate sa readings ko today, kindly leave a comment in the comment section. For everyone na mas gusto ng depth reading, kindly add me on my social media accounts in the description box and book a reading. Thank you and may light guide your way infinitely. So, let's start your reading. Hi to Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is your January 2026 monthly reading. So, anong ibig ko sabihin sa Sun, Moon, and Rising, Venus? That means your birth chart. Okay? So, kailangan hanapin mo kung may Virgo ka, Sun, Moon, and Rising, Venus kasi mas mag-accurate po yung reading kapag nalaman mo yung birth chart mo. So, let's start your reading. Okay? Sa Google lang po, hanapin nyo yung birth chart or natal chart calculator and then ilagay nyo lang yung mga details and then doon nyo po makikita yung inyong birth chart. Ano yung details na kailangan? Birthday, birth time, and birthplace. So, let's start your reading. Virgo, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Your current situation is 6 of Swords. You're trying to get go of the old baggages. Not a single one ay makakasama sa'yo. Okay, you've got the King of Swords. Someone is very sharp. So, what is the current energy that you are connecting with the other people or the other situation? Okay, so, this is Temperance. You might be dealing with Sagittarius, Virgo. Or maybe may Sagittarius ka. So, okay. By the way, hindi ako nagbabasa ng reverse. I don't read reverse. Pero kung nakita mo nag-flip siya ng reverse, maybe you're trying, tawag dito, medyo kina-question mo yung mga bagay-bagay ngayon sa buhay mo. May mga bagay na parang feeling mo, hindi mo deserve. Parang hindi siya fate. Parang hindi siya fate. Hindi siya kapalaran mo, ganun. Parang pinipili mo na, dito dapat mangyari sa akin. Parang ganun yung vibes. Okay, so Page of Cups. Page of Cups. Virgo. You know, the current situation you have, this is your situation right now, this is your past. So, in a combination, ito ka ngayon. No? Virgo, kasi from the past, meron ka 6 of Swords dito. Parang before before na mag-lead itong isang connection mo na to or sitwasyon, pwedeng career, pwedeng business, pwedeng relationship, pwedeng friendship, pwedeng sa sarili mo lang, yung mga sa'yo lang, yung mga lahat, kumbaga, sumatotal mo lahat ng bagay. Parang nakikita mo yung routine ng buhay mo is paulit-ulit na hindi mo nakikita na kontento ka at masaya ka at nagiging successful. Kaya, parang wala kang tinira na luggage from the past. A luggage and baggages from the past. You're trying your best to, kasi yung King of Swords kasi, you might be dealing with an Aquarius. The King of Swords kasi, is giving like, I will trust more in my head. I will think more. I will try to concentrate. I will try to, parang gano'n na yung vibes mo. Parang concentrate, focus sa what matters. Sa nagmamatter talaga. With the Temperance ito yung nagko-connect sa inyong dalawa ng dalawang situation, the other situation. Yung Temperance kasi is, leaping faith lang, dito, putting faith into the universe or into the divine. parang it was destined to happen to you and you understand that. Parang nagkakaroon, parang you're trying your best to, look at it in a positive way, see the positive thing, and parang good things and good vibes lang yung mangyayari. I mean, parang you're trying to look up for the best in your life kasi hindi pa ito yung end of the game. Parang hindi pa to yung dito matatapos kasi papunta ka dun sa new direction. Kasi dito matured, hindi to like matured ka na. What I mean is parang nagigain ka ng new knowledge kasi this time ikaw yung maglilid ng buhay mo. Hindi mo na hayaan na may influensyan ka ng ibang tao or kung sino-sino lang dyan sa buhay mo. Nagigets mo ako, Virgo. Yung parang hindi kahit maalala mo yung past, hindi na siya nakaka-affect sa'yo. Wala siyang effect in a way na parang iiyak ka ulit o masasaktan na. I don't see it here. Kasi you're open for a new relationship. This is reuniting with the true love eh. Four of Wands and Page of Cups. Kaya sabi ko, wow, okay. This is finding new love. Someone will offer a new love, a cup of love. Someone that is, maybe younger, pero that doesn't mean naman na, younger like literal. Pwedeng younger vibes or, lang talaga, masaya yung vibes niya, ganon. Parang bumabalik ka sa pagkabata with this person. So, Virgo, this one here, tong tatlong to, pag binagtabi-tabi mo kasi, fated connection to. Ito mangyayari sa'yo is parang, mangyayari to dahil ito yung dapat, it's a must to have. For other people na nasa relationship na happily, okay, married to somebody or in a connection or with somebody, you might getting married or a baby is possible kasi Page of Cups to. Pwedeng, hindi ko sasabing nagbabasa ako ng pregnancy and health matters or legal matters. What I'm saying is possible din kasi sa energy na makita. Hindi yan fino-force na makita na pag tinanong, buntis po ba ako? Tapos makikita natin, ay oo, buntis ka. Hindi naman to hindi naman to hospital, okay? Para maskan natin. You get me? So, yun. Maganda yung vibes dito kasi Virgo na may nakikita ko dito na new relationship. Positive siya. Maganda yung vibe and I think this one is like a true love for you. Okay? Like a true love. So, let's see. The other situations na meron ka. Kasi parang nabasa na natin yung love and about you. So, let's see. What is the current situation for Virgo? Sun, Rising, and Venus. Ako, pagka nanonood ako ng mga tarot reading before, or ng astrology readings, lagi akong nanonood sa ascendant ko. Yan, sa ascendant. Kasi mas accurate siya kumpara sa sun and moon. Anyways, okay, soulmate. Okay. So, the current situation you have right now is, nafe-feel mo to by your dreams. Okay, meron ka telepathic dreams, songs, maybe synchronicities. Nakikita mo parang nagkakaroon ka ng mga deja vu or spiritual things na nangyari sa'yo. Kunwari nagigising ka sa isang panaginip, pero feeling mo na naginip ka, pero parang reality siya, yung mga ganong moments. And soulmate. Similar friendship, romantic partner is here. Just like what I said. Okay? The current situation that will happen to you, Virgo, is a soulmate, a relationship, possible, a healthy one, a long-term one, a genuine one, a true love. So, congratulations with that. Ano kaya ang additional na message ni Fanta Oracle, guys, sa inyo? Tingnan natin. Okay? Congratulations. I'm so happy for you, Virgo. This is a good love reading for you. Though, general dapat to, pero mas nag-focus siya sa love reading. Okay, so, what is the additional situation card for Virgo? Okay. Your additional card is right. Okay, ceremony, mystery, magic. Woo! Look at this. How magical is this happening to you right now? Okay. So, someone is manifesting a soulmate, like literally. Siguro, Virgo, you're one of the witches. If you get me. If you know what I know. Okay? If you know, you know. This is something like a connection with the soulmate na from past life mo pa siya siguro nagiging lover. Tapos in this lifetime, you're seeking for that person again. Okay, Virgo? I think na papaniginipan mo siya or parang nakikita mo siya, may glimpse in your dreams, literal, or parang nakikita mo na siya, naririnig mo siya, nandyan na, pero wala ka pa doon sa timeline na yon. You get me? Pero na mas lalo mo siyang nakikita klaro. So, ganun yung situation mo ngayon with this person, a new relationship will come to you. Congrats! I'm so happy for you. So, let's see kung ano naman ang astrological advice sa'yo. Kung saan mangyayari to. Okay? Saan na to magta-transit sa astrology chart mo. Okay? Transit means forecast po. Papunta doon. Okay? So, let's see. Let's shuffle your card. Virgo. Okay. So, Virgo. Okay, Capricorn. Kakaisip ko lang sa Capricorn, tapos may Capricorn. You might be dealing with someone who's in Capricorn, or look kung nasan yung Capricorn sa chart mo, or Saturn. Because this is Saturn yan, energy ko. Pero tingnan mo na lang si Capricorn, baka Cancer rising ka, ganun. So, ambition, realism, methodical signs. You might be dealing with the Capricorn. And this January is a Capricorn season. Maybe this time, timely lang siya, yung mga nangyayari sa'yo ngayon. Capricorn itself, it's about a strong mind, business-minded, tawag dito, reliable, persistent, enduring, ano pa ba si Capricorn? Tawag dito, karmic, alam mo yan? Ano sila, di sila mapagigante, pero may gagante pa sa kanila. Kasi they're the karma itself. And Capricorns are very very honest. They pick people. They choose people wisely, and they don't want to be a burden to somebody. And when they love you, they will give you everything, like a sugar daddy, sugar mommy, alam mo yon. Ganun yung vibes, kasi si Capricorn, pag nagmahal, talagang ibibigay niya yung lahat ng understanding. Sobrang patient din nila, and hindi kanya pag-iisipan. Mahirap lang talaga kapag yung Capricorn na yan is very pessimistic, kasi may pagka-pessimistic sila, or baka ganito ka, ganito yung season mo ngayon, medyo pessimistic ka sa mundo or sa mga bagay-bagay, kaya siguro napapunta ka dito sa reading, 'di ba, for answers. So yun. Okay? So siguro i-ano mo lang, i-balance mo lang. Maganda na maging maging self-aware tayo sa ibang tao kung ano yung totoong intention. Pero wag din natin silang masyadong musgan, at don't close your doors for opportunities na other people might love you, to your surprise. Hindi mo alam na ganito ka pala nila mahalin. Ano mo yan? Okay, so next, what is your romantic angels oracle? Like, message for your love. For your love situation. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay, may nakita kong lumipad. Retreat. Okay, retreat. Nananaginip ka siguro na parang nasa isang mundo kayo, kayong dalawa lang. Tapos another mundo ulit na kayong dalawa lang ulit. Parang different kind of timelines. I just having that kind of vibes. It's time to disconnect from the world. Okay, it's time to disconnect from the world. Maybe kasi hindi mo masyado pinapansin, Virgo, ngayon yung mga pinapakita sa yung mga dreams mo, kasi medyo realistic ka pa, or hinahayaan mo lang yung mga nangyayari sa tag dito, nangyayari sa real world. If I were you, trust in your gut feelings, trust in the universe na what is giving to you, because I think you've been seeking for this, you've been manifesting this. Siguro may ginagawa ka pang mga ritual work just to make it happen, and I guarantee you that it will come to you. Okay, so ano yung hidden truth ng taong to? Possible na pwede niya sabihin sa sinasabi niya ngayon, nararamdaman niya ngayon, maybe nararamdaman ka rin niya intuitively. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. Wow. Okay, so sabi niya, sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. I see, that's good for you. Sagittarius, sorry, Virgo. You might be dealing with the Sag. Oh my God. So, yun, may possibilities dito, Virgo, na, this person is really into you right now. Okay? Itong taong to, talagang, pag nakita ka niya, for sure, ipupursue ka talaga niya for real. And kahit mag-no ka, hindi siya titigil. And I think naman na hindi ka mag-no kasi you've been asking for this. Based on here, okay? So, let's see kung ano yung final advice sa'yo ni Tarot deck to complete your monthly reading. For Venus, Sun, Moon, Rising in Virgo, what is your messages? Okay, fine. Mag-flip na siya doon. Okay. You got, what do I resist feeling, what do I resist feeling right now? Ano nga ba nire-resist mo? Maybe this something, what's happening to you right now is new, or it's frightening, it's confusing, it's weird, kaya parang nire-resist mo yung sarili mo na, do I deserve this? I don't believe in love. I'm like this. I've been hard to love. You think so? I think you're overthinking. Maybe, ang dami mo kasing maybe. So, maybe for now, stop doing what you used to do. Sometimes, well, actually most of the time, what we think of who we are and what we think, okay, based on what's currently happening in our real life, we thought na hanggang doon lang tayo. Na hanggang doon lang yung may papakita sa atin. Na hanggang doon lang tayo, hanggang doon lang tayo pamahalin ng tao or pagkakatiwalaan or pahahalagahan. Alam mo yon, may mga mistakes kasi tayo sa buhay minsan na feeling natin hindi worth it. No, parang hindi na worth it itama, hindi na worth, baka masyado ka mabilis mag-cut off, or maybe you thought you're too much for other people. So, parang nire-resist mo siguro maging honest, mag-reach out, magpakita ng totoong ikaw, mag-seek ng true love, maging vulnerable, to be cared, to be loved, to be heard. That's something na parang feeling mo, ang hirap hingin dito sa mundo. Hindi naman kasi hinihingi yan, binibigay yan ng tamang tao. Okay, yung taong yan na alam ka kung paano ka mahalin, either you ask for it or not, it will be given, okay, by this person. Trust me. Okay? So you have to let go of what you think na negative. Okay? It's not helpful. We have to feel it to heal it, sabi niya. In order to let go of pain, we first have to honor its existence. Emotions are like waves. Some are soft, some are fierce, some are layered, and some will sweep you off your feet. When we allow ourselves to feel it all, we can then release what no longer serves us. So today's soul action, allow yourself to feel this wave. Let it move through you, no matter how long it lasts. Then release it back into the ocean. Feel it, heal it, enjoy the sweet freedom within your soul. So, I told you, diba? You just have to let it be. Let it be as for now, and then go out your way. Go out with all your might. Ibig kong sabihin doon is parang gawin mo yung sa tingin mo, lalo na kung matagal ka nang nagtitiis sa mga bagay na hindi ka naman na talaga masaya, hindi ka okay. Ngayon mo na gawin yung dapat mong gawin, gusto mong gawin. Don't be a people pleaser na. Huwag mo nang pakinggan kung ano yung mga komento nila sa'yo. Kasi your life is yours. And you always matter. Be it in their eyes, or kung may makakakita man ng halaga mo o wala. Sa mata man nila o sa mata mo, okay? What truly matters is you. Sorry kung narinig kayo yung noise. So, yun lang naman, Virgo. Kung naka-resonate to sa yung reading nito, kindly leave a message or comment on the comment section. Kung hindi po, mas maganda po magpabukay ng reading sa akin personally. Nandiyan po sa description box yung social media accounts ko para doon nyo lang po kung ma-reach out. So, yun lang naman. Thank you so much for your reading and thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye-bye!